how to pay Union Bank credit card bill online. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay your Union Bank credit card bill online. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to pay your Union Bank credit card bill online, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Launch the Union Bank mobile app on your phone. Over here, sign into your account using your login details. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay Bills section. Over here, choose the credit card you want to pay. Step 3. Then click on the Pay option. After that, select the account you want to pay from. Step 4. Over here, enter the required payment details correctly. Then accept the payment to complete the process. Step 5. If you prefer to pay in person, visit the nearest Union Bank branch. Over here, you can clear your credit card bill using cash or a check. Step 6. You can also set up an auto debit arrangement with Union Bank. Over here, the credit card payment will be automatically deducted from your Union Bank savings account. To set this up, visit the nearest Union Bank branch. So that's how you can pay your Union Bank credit card bill online. That's all for this video.